Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 9 top house party apps. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, Bunch. Bunch is an app that is comparable to House Party but with a unique twist. Bunch offers you the option to play games while you're on the call in addition to video group rooms. It is a metaverse where you can move your character and play games while interacting with your friends and family via voice and video chat. It integrates video chatting with games well enough that you can play the game on any average-sized phone and still see the person or persons you're in the video chat with. If you don't feel like playing games, you can still find conversation starters by exploring the metaverse and seeing what's there. Number 2, Discord. A simple alternative to House Party that may be used in the browser is Discord. You have the opportunity to start a group that can quickly develop into a community, depending on the number of members you invite. To keep the group secret among your actual friends and family, you can set it up as an invite-only type of group. On the other hand, you can join public channels to talk to people who aren't gaming pals. Discord is fantastic since you can use it for both individual and group video calls. It will have excellent audio and visual quality because it is built on dependable technology. Number 3, Google Duo. Google Duo is a product from Google that allows users to make calls between friends and family members easily. To use Google Duo, all you need is a Gmail account. You can use the Google Duo with a high-quality standard and support for browsers, desktop computers, smartphones, and even smart displays. You can invite your friends and family members if they don't have Duo. It allows to create, name a group, and include 32 individuals if you wish to hold group video conversations. Number 4, Facebook Messenger. While Facebook Messenger is mostly used for chatting, users shouldn't ignore the app's audio and video call capabilities. With the Messenger application, you can easily search and add friends, as well as initiate a call. A strong internet connection is needed to make calls with high quality. A group call can accommodate up to 50 participants, which is more than adequate for a sizable number of friends or family. Number 5, WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a safe messaging program designed for mobile devices to create a more effective means of communication. However, it has developed into a useful program that you can download to an Android, iOS, Mac, and Windows. It allows for both audio and video conversations, and all that is required to place one is the recipient's phone number. Another useful tool that's nice to have is the ability to share documents and even take real-time images with WhatsApp. WhatsApp limits the number of callers you can add to a group call to a maximum of 8. Number 6, Rave. When you can watch anything together or play music in the background during your video conversations. Similar to House Party, Rave also enables users to connect and meet to watch movies and TV shows on nearly any devices. Devices running Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone are all compatible. How you might not be able to video chat, you can still converse online over voice while viewing the same movie or television program that is being broadcast concurrently on 2 screens. Number 7, Tribe Calls. Tribe Calls is comparable to House Party but takes a different approach to virtual socializing. You can add contacts and create groups using Tribe Calls, but it also alerts you when pals are nearby, online, or have been away for a while, among other things. You and your friends or family can begin utilizing Tribe Calls in place of keeping track of your texts and calls. You won't have missed calls with Tribe Calls. There are no timetables, and may catch up with anyone online whenever you see them. With the app's technology, you can make excellent audio and video calls with just a few screen taps. Number 8, FAM. FAM is a fantastic app for iOS and Mac users, to use as a House Party application. FAM is made for families to create one group where you can plan activities and keep track of them, keeping everyone updated while also keeping in touch with each family member. You can also make brief video or audio chats with everyone in your family group from a section of the program where you can exchange images, voice comments, and more. This software is useful since it lets you set up an event so that everyone knows when you wish to call your family on voice or video. Number 9. Hago. If you have something to do together, spending time with your friends or family digitally is always preferable. Hago offers hundreds of games across all genres, the majority of which can handle up to 10 people, in contrast to Houseparty's lack of any add-ons to facilitate this. So you can communicate with your buddies while playing games via text or audio chat. And when you are not playing, you can use the video chat option. By doing this, you'll be able to spend hours together, even if it's distantly, exploring things, having conversations, and without feeling like it's all taking place digitally. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.